Mastering Pronoun-Antecedent Agreement and Subordinate Clauses. Hello, language learners. Today we're diving into a topic that even native English speakers sometimes find challenging: Pronoun-Antecedent Agreement and Subordinate Clauses. Don't let the fancy terminology intimidate you. By the end of this video, you'll understand this concept perfectly and be able to use it flawlessly in your conversations and writings. Before we tackle our main topic, let's quickly revisit what pronouns and antecedents are. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Examples include he, she, it, they, him, her, us, and so on. An antecedent is the noun or noun phrase that a pronoun refers to. For instance, in the sentence, John lost his wallet, John is the antecedent and his is the pronoun. The rule of pronoun-antecedent agreement states that a pronoun must agree in number, singular or plural, and gender, male, female, or neutral, with its antecedent. This is straightforward in simple sentences, but can get a little tricky in complex sentences with subordinate clauses, which is exactly what we're here to discuss. A subordinate clause, also called a dependent clause, is a part of a sentence that contains a subject and a verb but does not express a complete thought. Hence, it cannot stand alone as a complete sentence. Examples include, while she was sleeping, or after the movie ended. Understanding where your antecedent is located, in the main clause or subordinate clause, is crucial for maintaining proper pronoun-antecedent agreement. Now that we've got the basics out of the way, let's dive into the main topic: pronoun-antecedent agreement and subordinate clauses. Remember that the pronoun must always agree with its antecedent in number and gender. This rule holds true even if the antecedent is located in a subordinate clause. Let's look at an example. In the stories that a child reads, they can often find heroes and heroines that inspire them. Here, a child is singular, but they and them are plural pronouns. That's a mistake. The correct sentence should be, in the stories that a child reads, he or she can often find heroes and heroines that inspire him or her. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more natural pronoun-antecedent agreement will become. We hope this video helped to demystify pronoun-antecedent agreement and subordinate clauses. Don't hesitate to replay the video and review the examples until you're confident. See you in our next video where we continue exploring the wonders of English grammar. Happy learning!